Hi, I'm Ben from Mallinson & Co. Welcome to Furnished Cottages, Crow Edge. Come on in, let's take a look. So there you have it, that is Furnished Cottages, Crow Edge. It's a substantially extended character home with breathtaking views over open countryside. At lower ground level you've got this stunning open plan living kitchen situated in a double storey extension with bifolding doors onto the rear garden. You've got 3 generous bedrooms, a house bathroom, you've got an ensuite to bedroom 1, and you've also got a toilet and utility space at lower ground level. It's got off-street parking, landscape gardens, easy access to Penistone, associated amenities and transport links. It really is a stunning home. If this is something of interest to you, please give us a call at the office on 01226 44 150. Thanks very much for watching.